Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 16 feet 4 inches in meter 5 meter and the length is 13 feet in meter 4 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, and also we have TV unit on the front wall. And if we go inside, so we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And if we go inside, so we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.